I definitely think the way that traditionally organizations think about the people that work for them gets in the way of creating high-trust organizations. We tend to have a very narrow view of human nature. We do tend to see human beings as human resources, which is a metaphor that reflects back to an industrial age of the workforce being part of the assembly line and a resource for management to use. That's a very stultifying view of human nature. In fact, people come to the workplace and they want to bring their whole selves to the workplace. They want to be fully human beings. And if we want to create organizations of trust, we need to think about the people working with us in a different sort of way. We need to view them as whole people, as people that are striving to fulfill their own individual purposes, to learn and grow, to self-actualize themselves, to find friendship and love and community in the workplace. And we need to create workplaces that allow human beings to flourish, unified around the purpose of the organization. So it's not a touchy-feely type of thing. You have important work to do. You're trying to fulfill the mission and purpose of the organization. But while you're doing that, you're part of a community of people that are there as fully human beings. And we need to create cultural processes, structures, and strategies that allow human beings to reach their full potential. And I oftentimes think that part of my job as a leader is to empower the people that are working with me at Whole Foods Market to unleash their creativity, their ideas, their passions in order for us to jointly serve the purpose of Whole Foods Market.